Hello everyone, my name is Ethan Lewis and I am a student at J. Sargent Reynolds Community College in Richmond, Virginia. I am an education major and it is my dream to be a health and physical education teacher, preferably at the middle school or high school level. Today, as I start to prepare to become a health and physical education teacher, I'm going to be giving you a lecture on the cardiovascular system. When it comes to athletics, the cardiovascular system is the most important system, and I feel like it is very important for students to learn about it. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to identify what the cardiovascular system is, be able to identify the main organs and functions in the cardiovascular system, be able to identify different activities in which the cardiovascular system is being used, and overall, why the cardiovascular system is important to the human body. With all that being said, let's jump right into it. To start off, what is the cardiovascular system? The cardiovascular system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and the blood. Its main function is to transport nutrients and oxygen-rich blood to every single part of the body that needs it. Then, it carries the deoxygenated blood back to the lungs. The cardiovascular system needs to be protected at all times because any abnormality or injury to any or all parts of the cardiovascular system can result in very serious health implications, even death. Some of the serious health implications that can result due to any injury or abnormality is coronary artery disease, stroke, high blood pressure, and heart attack. Now, we're going to go over the main organs in the cardiovascular system and their functions. To start off, the heart. The heart is the main organ in the cardiovascular system. With every beat the heart beats a day, it pumps blood through the blood vessels through all parts of the body. It also works with other various systems of the human body to regulate your heart rate and blood pressure. Next is the blood. The blood transports oxygen and other important substances throughout the body, and it performs vital functions. And it also helps fight off bacteria that can lead to disease. The process is repeated thousands and thousands of times a day. The blood vessels have a huge role in the cardiovascular system. Arteries transport the blood away from the heart, and it distributes oxygen to tissues around the body, and the veins return blood back toward the heart. Finally, the lymphatic system is a network of organs, vessels, and tissues that work together to move lymph back into the cardiovascular system. There are many other parts of the cardiovascular system, but we will go over them as we go more in depth into the unit. Exercise is the easiest way to get the cardiovascular system working. Some exercises that work best in the cardiovascular system are jump rope, running, swimming, and organized sports such as football, basketball, soccer, baseball, track and field, etc. This is also a great way of staying fit. With staying fit, it can prevent long-term effects such as heart disease. For me, I was the athlete growing up, with my main sport being basketball. I played competitively for 11 years and decided to hang up the shoes after finishing my freshman season at Randolph College, a D3 school in the ODAC conference in Lynchburg, Virginia. Exercise can help increase muscle mass and help lose unneeded body fat. The United States of America is one of the most obese countries in the world. And with these exercises, we can keep that down and keep death at a young age because of heart conditions from not happening. The cardiovascular system is important because it delivers oxygen to body tissues, provides nutrients to cells, removes waste products of metabolism, and it protects the body from disease. Not only is the cardiovascular system important because of all these reasons, but it keeps us alive. With every beat our heart beats, the breaths we take, that is our cardiovascular system at work. It keeps us alive, and that on its own is the most important part of the system. Thank you all so very, very much for taking your time out of your morning, day, or night to listen and learn more about the cardiovascular system. Be sure to leave your feedback and any questions that you have for me in the comment section below. Again, my name is Ethan Lewis, and thank you.